friends! Today, I'll take you on a journey into the mysterious world of Russian cuisine to discover the enchanting taste of pelmeni. Are you ready for a flavorful adventure? The secret of the dough is the heart of pelmeni. The magical dance of flour, water, and salt creates a dough that forms the foundation of flavor. This dough is like a gateway to pelmeni's mysterious world. The filling carries the secret of pelmeni. The magnificent harmony of minced meat, onions, and spices forms the essence of this flavor. This hidden filling initiates pelmeni's journey filled with secrets. Each pelmeni created from the dough is a work of wizardry. Each pelmeni shaped by your hands is like a work of art. This magical transformation serves as the gateway to pelmeni's enchanted world. The birth of pelmeni takes place in boiling water. Each pelmeni rising to the surface of the water is a treasure trove of flavor. This cooking magic revives pelmeni's spirit and gives it life. The presentation of pelmeni is the beginning of a feast. Each pelmeni placed on the plate is like an invitation. This feast, accompanied by sour cream and mustard, leaves an unforgettable impression on the palate. It was wonderful to take this journey into the enchanting world of pelmeni with you. If you enjoyed this video and would like to stay updated on future content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like the video and are eager to try out the pelmeni recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to me. Until our next flavorful adventure, take care and see you soon.